上上小小上上訓弓上上上上髪髪あげるのぼるたてまつる This kanji mean above or up 上位is being superior in rank, top, ranking, or higher order. The kanji 上 is mean above or top, and the kanji い is mean the position. So when we put the kanji of 上 and い together, this means the high position. So the word 上位 can be meaning like superior in ranking or the top ranking or the higher. For example, we can create a sentence like 上位の人は誰ですか上位の人は誰ですか which means who is in the top ranking? Who is in the top ranking? 上位の人は田中さんです。上位の人は田中さんです。which means the top ranking is Mr. Tanaka-san. 上下上下 is mean top and bottom, or up and down, or high and low. I see here we have the kanji 上 is mean above or top, and the second kanji is 下 is mean down or the bottom. So when we put the kanji of 上 and the kanji of 下 together, it can be mean like top and down, or up and down, or high and low. 上下上下 When we create a sentence like 上下 is mean 上下の人 is mean the person top and down. Unjo is mean above the clouds or the heavens. The first kanji un is from the kanji of kumo. Kumo is mean cloud. And the second kanji jo is mean above or topped. So when we put the kanji of which mean cloud, and the kanji of jo is mean above, so it can be above the clouds or the heavens. 雲上には飛行機があります。雲上には飛行機があります。which means there is a plane on the cloud, or it has a plane above the clouds. Or you can say another sentence like 雲上には鳥がいます。雲上には鳥がいます。which means it has a bird above the clouds. Shanghai Shanghai. Shanghai is mean the Shanghai city in China. The first kanji is mean sh, above, and it have the sound like shan. And the second kanji is mean umi. Umi is mean the sea, right? The second kanji is mean high, have the sound like high, and is from the kanji of umi. Umi is mean the sea. So when we put the kanji of above with the kanji of the sea, which means above the sea. Above the sea is mean Shanghai. So in the past, you will see that the Shanghai city is on the sea, right? Above the sea, right? So they take the name like Shanghai on the sea. 上司 is mean boss or superior authorities. 上 is mean top or above. She is mean the person doing something. So we can create a sentence like あなたの上司は誰ですか? あなたの上司は誰ですか? Who is your boss? 私の上司は鈴木さんです。私の上司は鈴木さんです。Which means my boss is Mr. Suzuki. 上手 is mean skill or skillful, which mean the first kanji is mean top or above, right? And the second kanji is mean the zu. The kanji of zu is from the kanji of te. Te is mean hand, right? So that means your hand on the top. That means skill or skillful. 上手 it means skillful. That means when you do something and you are good at something, for example, you are good at computer. For example, you type really fast. They can say パソコンのスキルは上手ですね。パソコンのスキルは上手ですね。Which means you are good at computer. 料理を作るのは上手ですね。料理を作るのは上手ですね。Which means you are good at cooking. あなたは何に上手ですか? あなたは何に上手ですか? Which means what are you good at? 上級 is mean advanced level. The first kanji 上 is from the kanji of top or above, and the second kanji Q is mean the level. That mean when we put kanji of 上 and the kanji of Q together, it mean the top level or the higher level. So it can be translated like advanced level. For example, what is your class, right? What is your level of speaking Japanese? Or you can create a sentence like 上級レベルは高いです。For example, we can say the 上級レベル is mean the high level is expenses. For example, hotel, right? 上級のホテルは値段が高いです。上級のホテルは 値段が高いです which means the advanced level hotel the price is higher or you can say like the high level hotel is expensive 上達 it mean improvement or advance 上 is mean top or above 達 is mean you reach something so that means you when we put the kanji of 上 and the kanji of 達 that means you reach the top you reach the above so in this case we can say we can translate to be like improvement or advance for example your goal if you are do something you have a goal so you can say the sentence like この作業の目標に上達するためにしなければならないことがあります which means if we want to complete the goal of this work if has something that we have to do この作業の目標を上達するこの作業の目標を上達する This means we have to complete the goal of this work or of this job 上 is mean above or top over or elder or you can say top or summit if for example we can create the sentence like 机の上に教科書があります which means there is a textbook on the table 机の上に犬がいます which means there is a dogs on the table so that means you put something on something so you can say like 上向き is mean pointing upward or upturn or uptrend the first kanji it mean top uwa is mean top right or above and the second kanji muki is mean the point or the trend so it mean the point is up pointing up so uwa muki is mean pointing up kami this is the special style reading so you have to remember kami is mean upper reach of a river or super stream or top so in the case we use with the river is mean you can read like kami which mean super reach of a river or super upper stream kaza kami is mean windward or upwind the first kanji kaza is from the kanji of kaze is mean the wind and the second kanji kami is mean up or top so it mean the wind go up right so in the case like we can translate to be like wind wall or upwind